So today we will talk about chikungunya, dengue, and corona, right? So basically there is slight difference between these three, and these are quite interrelated too. So let's talk about chikungunya first. So chikungunya is basically it is positive stranded RNA enveloped. It is enveloped, right? It is the vector, chikungunya is positive stranded RNA and it is enveloped too, right? And the vector of this is Aedes mosquito. Aedes mosquito is the vector of chikungunya. Okay, so this is basically a arbovirus. What is mean of arbovirus? Arbovirus means a virus which is spread by arthropoda, which means insect, and Aedes mosquito comes in the class of insects, so it's known as arbovirus. What about the symptoms? The symptoms of this is first of all there will be muscle pain, right? Muscle pain will be there. There will be joint pain. Joint pain will be there. Moreover, there will be nausea. These are the symptoms: nausea, vomiting, itchiness will be there, like rashes will appear, headache will be also a symptom, right? Then it is transmitted through blood. This is transmitted through blood. Okay, one more thing to remember is that basically in RNA we are having, this is RNA, this is 5 prime, 3 prime, right? And in this, we are having, here is the cap, we call this as a cap, and this is as a tail. So basically in chikungunya, one thing is absent. One thing will be absent from these both, either the cap will be there or the tail will be there, or both will not be there, right? So now let's talk about the dengue, right? Dengue is also positive RNA which is enveloped. It is also enveloped, right? And the vector of this is Aedes mosquito. So they have same vector, right? And let's talk about the symptoms. It is also a arbo virus, it is caused by mosquito, that's why, right? Now let's talk about the symptoms of dengue. Symptoms include there will be joint pain, will be there, right? Moreover, there will be fever, right? And there will be nausea, and the main thing, there will be eye pain. There will be pain in the actually retina. In retina, the pain will be in retina, right? Now let's talk about the transmission. This is also transmitted through, this is transmitted through blood. Transmitted through, it is transmitted through blood, right? And this dengue is quite severe, like this is a serious disease and a person can be hospitalized too. This is severe, this is severe condition, a person can be hospitalized too. It is a very serious condition, right? And the mortality rate is very high if a person is getting, if for example there are two persons, one is infected from chikungunya, another is infected from dengue. The person who is infected from dengue can be like the chances of the death are higher the person who is infected from dengue, right? So here the mortality rate is high, right? So now let's talk about corona. This corona is also, the corona is positive RNA. The corona is positive RNA and it is also enveloped, right? I guess this corona is non-enveloped. This corona is non-enveloped, right? And it is positive stranded RNA. Now let's talk about the vector of corona. The vector of corona is, the vector of corona is bats. Bats are the vector of corona. Let's talk about the symptoms, like what are the symptoms, right? The symptoms are coughing, sneezing, headache, labored breathing. There will be problem in your respiratory tract, right? Headache, labored breathing. There will be chest pain too, right? And these are the symptoms. And what is the transmission and how it is transmitted? Basically it is transmitted through sneezing, coughing or vomiting too, like the contaminated vomiting. Sneezing, coughing and vomiting, right? This corona, let me confirm that this is corona is okay. This corona is airborne virus. This is basically airborne virus. This corona is airborne virus. And now let's confirm that this corona is either positive stranded or negative stranded, right? So yeah, this corona is positive stranded, but this is, sorry, I was right before, this is enveloped. The corona is enveloped, right? So I hope the chikungunya, dengue and corona is clear to you.